In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your time using a time tracking tool. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you're getting the most out of your workday. First things first, you'll want to open up the task you're planning to work on. This might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial step. Opening the task sets the stage for everything that follows. It's useful to start by reviewing any essential details related to the task to ensure you fully understand what needs to be accomplished. Whether it's a small or large task, take a moment to mentally prepare for what lies ahead. Next, locate the time tracker icon. This should be somewhere easily visible on your dashboard. The icon might vary depending on the software you're using, but it's typically designed to catch your eye. Once you spot it, click on it, initiating the time tracking process. This action is vital for keeping track of how long you're dedicating to the task at hand, making sure no minute is unaccounted for. As you begin working on your task, make sure you start the timer. This is where the real tracking begins. The timer will run in the background, freeing you to focus entirely on your task. Keeping the timer running as you work can give you invaluable insights into your productivity and time management skills. You might find it helpful to check in occasionally on how much time has elapsed and then continue working diligently. Once you've made some progress or reached the end of your designated work period, return to the timer to stop it. Stopping the timer is just as important as starting it because it allows the tool to accurately record the time you've spent. If you're switching between different tasks, it's important to remember to stop and start the timer accordingly. This ensures each task is time-stamped with precision. The process of starting and stopping the timer as you work might seem simple, but when used consistently, it becomes an integral part of a productive routine. Over time, you'll begin to notice patterns in your work habits, perhaps uncovering which tasks take up more time than anticipated and where you can make adjustments for better efficiency. By the end of each work session, you have a detailed account of the time spent, giving you valuable insights that can help you plan out future workdays. Remember, using a time tracker isn't just about monitoring hard work, it's about working smarter. Integrating this practice into your daily routine helps you stay on top of your tasks and see where you can optimize your time management. So there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your productivity through effective time tracking. Thanks for following along, and here's to better organized workdays ahead.